Hi everyone, welcome to Self Makeup Mastery channel. Here is a quick tutorial on how to achieve this traditional makeup look, and here I've kept the eyes very simple, I mean the eyeshadow, but I have gone with a red lipstick. I'm going with this traditional turmeric yellow sari with a red border, a deep red border. This is Kanjivaram silk sari which has a small moftis in it. So without any delay, let's break down how to achieve this look.
You have seen today's sari, right, which is mustard yellow. Starting with skin preparation using a prep and prime. This is a mini pack. This is a face mist which also works as a setting spray or a makeup spray which has primer. I'm using a serum based foundation here. So I'm skipping on moisturizer because this anyway gives very lightweight and very smooth finish. So let this settle. So for any serum based foundations, just shake it well before you use it. Take few drops. If you want, you can build it up later. Always put it back on your hand and directly go over it. Tap everywhere evenly. Don't think of blending in the first place. Just make sure you have applied the product on the whole face. This is a very quick makeup that I'm teaching today. Very natural, dewy and fresh. If you want, you can add few drops. You can see how flowy it is before it melts down on the eyelids, on the face, on the nose corners. Dab, 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 and then blend it. Blend into the hairline because we do not want any patchiness, but if there is any foundation that gets stuck to the hairline, then we can take it off with the help of wet wipes later. Do not ignore the neck, your ears, eyes corners. I'm going to seal this foundation into compact. I'm going to seal this foundation with a compact on the eyelids. Make sure you blend it and then you seal it with compact so that there is no harsh line that comes in. See, I do have little discoloration around my mouth, but it's okay. I do not need a corrector because it's very mild, and I wanted the makeup and the skin, the base to be very mild, and it's okay if you can see the discoloration and the pigmentation mark. I'm okay with it. Okay, so here I'm going with dewy finish, very quick, bright makeup. So let's go with the highlighter here, and then blend it with the fingers. And today I'm using lipstick instead of blush. Wanted the natural finish, not too much, and again blending with fingers just to add a little bit of color. Avoid red, you can take anything which is peach or pink. Okay, now here I'm completely not doing contour today, so I'm skipping on contour because I wanted to keep the base very natural, and it shouldn't look like something you have made up. So I thought let's keep it very minimal and basic. Let's highlight our eyebrow. So in the previous video I have shown a different way of eyebrow, and here I'm just filling the gaps, making it very natural and easy. Let's go with the eye makeup. Now for the eyes, I want to keep more of kajal and less of eyeshadow. So for this, I'm just using very basic from Mars palette, and these two other shades that I'm using. So the beginning of the eyelids, I'll go with a silver shade. This will make me feel like my eyes are a little wider and opened up. This is not too much of silver. This has a little bit of gold particles in it. Okay. Now taking the bronze shade, I'm going in the center of the eyelids. Now take any fluffy brush. Take a brown or a soft matte finish eyeshadow and just blend into the crease. Very mild. So for this, I'm using in the same palette all four shades from below. Now, if there is any excess that's fallen on the cheeks, just remove it off. Pick off the excess from here. Now let's go with the lipstick. Now here with the lipstick, let's line the lips. And filling the color. So here for the eyes, I want very thin on the inner V corner and very thick on the outer V corner. So let's get to that. It's very important that you always carry a very small mirror to take a close-up shot, close-up look. I think here only thing that you need to concentrate is on taking a little more time in doing a perfect, applying the perfect kajal. So let's do the same thing for the other eye as well. So this is how it looks. Now take the same brush where you have applied your creases and just smoothen it out on the under eyes. To sharp this up, I'm using a liner only on the edges. So here we are going with a very traditional liner, as I've kept the eyeshadow shade, which is very minimal and it has gold in it. I have used the liner to make it look more traditional and more
catchy, I could say. So there you go. Now I have kept only I have used the kajal only on the outer V corner of the eyes, and on the inner V corner just kept blank space that gives a definition to our eyes. And finishing this look with mascara and added the deep red here. All the product details, the brands, everything is listed in the description. You can check it out. Now pairing up with a tiny drop shape bindi here, adding false lashes. Now here is the entire look, pairing this with a beautiful jhumka, a traditional jhumka here. This has a red stone in it and again a red ruby stone neck piece that matches the entire outlook. I hope you like this tutorial. Do try this look out and share this video to all the makeup lovers that you know. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and get free makeup tutorial on every Friday. See you on next Friday with different look. Bye bye.